Hello dolls, welcome to Nailed It. I know it's been a hot minute since last time I made a video in English for you guys, but here I am. And I wanted to do this video right away because I got this product from Amazon, and this is the new, but not that new, because there's like a lot of brands that they actually have this now, is the Polygel. We're gonna try to make the, I'm gonna make these two nails because I already have pretty much all of them done, but I wanted to try it for you guys so you can actually get it or you can try it too. So this comes with this little brush right here. One end is the brush and the other one is the spatula, so you can grab the product there. And the Polygel right here, this one is in a pink. It looks like this. And the other one, it's kind of like clearish white. It's kind of clear, but it's white. Also, it came with this little liquid, the Crystal Gel Nail Liquid Slip Solution. With this, we're going to manage the Polygel. The only thing, though, I'm going to leave a little clip here. The liquid was leaking, so this is all I have left. I just got my package and it was kind of like open, I guess. It drained a lot of liquid and everything is kind of wet. Like right here. Oof. This is all wet from that little bottle that it was leaking, but I have the package. 1, 2, 3, 4. The little tips and a thank you card. And also it came with the forms. They are reusable. That's a good thing about this, that you don't have to use tips and leave them on the client. But the only thing that I didn't have was these little clips, and these are really, really important because if you put the nail with the Polygel on, the nail is really curved, and if your nail is like really flat, it's gonna pop. You have to cure the Polygel on the UV light or the LED light, but if you don't have something to secure the nail, it's gonna pop. I hope you get what I'm saying. But anyways, I got this separately. They come in 5 pieces and they look like this. I'm gonna start with this little liquid and put it right there. You don't need that much, you just need a little bit. I already picked my forms and they have to be a little bit, just a tiny bit bigger than my finger. This is the number 6 and this is number 2, I believe. Yeah. The next thing that I'm gonna do is take my file 240. And I'm just going to file a little bit on my bed now. Just like that. I don't need much. Alright, now that I filed my nails, I'm going to take the form. And just because I am a beginner, I'm gonna do them just with the pink because this is the first time I'm trying this kind of material, so I'm pretty sure that whenever I get more experience, I'm gonna be able to do like a French tip because I received the pink one and the white to make kind of like a French tip. So you cut the little piece like this. You apply it right there. The material is thick and sticky. So I have the liquid here. I'm going to tap the excess a little bit And then I'm going to flatten this gel around the form. And you can actually see like this how thick it is. If you want it thick, you can leave it like this and then pour a little bit more for the tip. Or you can start like working your way down like I'm doing with a little bit of pressure. This liquid is going to do pretty much everything for you. And it's less sticky once that it's wet. Now that I have that, I'm going to place it on my nail like so, against the cuticle, and then push down. And you're gonna notice that there is some material peeking through or squishing out in that area. And the thing that you can do is grab your brush again with liquid and clean that area like that. I'm going to place the clip so we can have it firmly down. And look, there's like a little material right there that I'm going to get rid of. Clean it up. And it's gonna be the same on this part of the nail. As you can see, there's material in there that we don't want to be stuck in the finger. So we're gonna clean it up a little bit. And brush it out. Okay, now that you have your finger like this and it is looking clean around it, you can use your little lamp and place it carefully inside and just wait about 1 minute, or if you have a better lamp you can just wait 30 seconds, but mine is a little old, so I'm just gonna wait a minute and I'll be right back. Alrighty, now that it's completely cured, we're going to wiggle that is coming off really slow. Can you see? This doesn't hurt at all. So we have this result right now. I think it looks really pretty. And the last thing that you have to do is just file the final form that you want. I'm going to take my 180 to do so. The only thing that you have to do now is just clean around. And get rid of the excess material that we just don't need. And that's pretty much it. Alright, I finished with this one and I want it to be a stiletto so you can see how they look. Wow. This was like crazy fast. It was really, really fast. Alright, I'm going to make this one now. Alrighty dolls, I already finished with this nail, and this is the end result. I think this is a really cool material. It's fast, it's easy, convenient. I mean, once that you have the experience, it's gonna be really easy to make or to do, to perform and everything. That they feel like really strong, like crazy strong. So I'm pretty happy with them. I really like it. The only thing that I will say that I didn't like or dislike is just the taste of each client, is that they are really skinny. Like the forms are really skinny. Like you can see the difference here. Like this is acrylic dip system. This is fiberglass. This is fiberglass. And look at the difference, like shape-wise. So that is the only issue that I have, but I think that you can find different type of form. So this is the one that I got, and it came with the whole kit. So I'm going to link everything down below so you can check it out for yourself and actually try it. You know, it's a really fun and quick option if you want to try something new. I think it's totally worth it. Well, I think that will be all for today, dolls. Thank you very much for being here. I will see you on the next one. But for now, I send you all a big kiss. Mwah.